In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a DocuSign to send document for signature. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is head on over to DocuSign.com and log into your account. Okay, so once you've logged into your account, we want to go ahead and start a new document. So on your dashboard, it should say get started. Under that, sign or get signatures. Click onto that button there where it says start. Now from here, we want to go ahead and drag your files here, or we can simply upload. So I'm going to upload this from my computer. So I'm going to go to my downloads. I've got this sample agreement. So we've got that. We can have a look, view it once it's on here. Now from here, we want to go ahead and add recipients. So enter the email addresses of the person or people who need to sign. You can add multiple recipients if more than one person needs to sign. You can choose their role, need to sign, receives a copy, or in-person signer. And then from here, we want to go ahead and we can add a message if we like to, and change the email subject. And then we can choose our envelope types here. So if this is a contract agreement, click on contract agreement. Now from here, I'm just going to put in this one. And now from here, I want to go ahead and click on next. Now you can review it here and change anything if you like as well. On the left hand side, we've got standard fields where we can add initials, signature, like put a sign thing here, etc. Now once you've done that, go ahead and click send. So the recipient will get an email with a secure link to review and sign the document. And you can also track your progress on DocuSign dashboard. So if I go back to the DocuSign dashboard, you can basically see whether recipients have viewed or signed it. You'll get notified once all parties have signed inside of here. Now a completed copy. So once finished, everyone automatically gets a final signed copy via email. The signed version is stored in your DocuSign account for reference. So that's it. You've successfully sent a document for signature using DocuSign.